in another breaking news. So these are the live shots of the Congress party ahead of the UP Assembly Gherao in Lucknow. Meanwhile, the UP administration, state administration, had also said that they have beefed up security outside the UP Assembly and even the Congress office in Lucknow. Despite that, in fact, Section 163 of the BNSS has also been placed. The Congress is staging protest against the BJP over alleged insult to Ambedkar. The protest comes over Ambedkar's showdown in Delhi, where the opposition, the Congress, has taken on to the BJP. In fact, there are posters of Ambedkar and also Union Minister Amit Shah, which are being raised by the Congress in the protest. The anti-BJP protest comes after Home Minister Amit Shah mentioned Ambedkar in his constitution debate speech. We're also being joined by my colleague Madhurima to get us more on the story.
Well, yes, these are the visuals that are coming from the central Delhi area. Remember, this is a VVIP area from where all these Congress workers were planning to march towards the parliament, but the Delhi police has now asked them to stop. And as you can see, these exclusive visuals that we are bringing for viewers, that how the Delhi police is escorting all these protesters who are protesting against the remarks made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. What the protesters have been alleging, what the Congress party has been alleging, that the Home Minister insulted Ambedkar, but today we saw there was a fiery session in the parliament where Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju and the Law Minister both came out with sharp attacks against the Congress, alleging that the Congress is twisting the truth. They have tweaked the video and have used that video of the Union Home Minister to benefit their context and to mint political benefit out of it, whereas the reality, as what Rijiju highlighted, that Congress never ever supported Ambedkar, in fact never even conferred Bharat Ratna, didn't even allow him to enter the parliament, and many such incidents that were cited by both the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and at the same time the Law Minister, Union Law Minister, both of them sharp attacks in retort to what the Congress has been claiming. There was a protest as well outside the premises as well, where we saw Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka and other senior Congress leaders who came out with the posters of Ambedkar and staged a silent protest at the beginning of the parliament session. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what really happens at around 4 o'clock. There's yet another protest with Aam Aadmi as well. But these are the visuals, as you can see, all these Congress workers carrying placards denouncing the Home Minister. But there was a press conference as well of the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. Even the Prime Minister, remember, even the Prime Minister had also come out and said that how the Congress is using Ambedkar to mint political benefits. And there was an elaborate tweet indeed, in 6-part tweet the Prime Minister highlighted as to how many times and in how many ways did the Congress party disrespected the legacy of Ambedkar, and today, as they are using the name of Ambedkar, they are doing nothing but disservice to a man who was the architect of our constitution. So these are the visuals that are coming. Once again, this is a bid by the Congress party to hype the issue of what the Home Minister said, but the BJP time and again has been saying that how the Congress party is misusing the name of B.R. Ambedkar. Back to you.
Right, Madhurima, thank you so much. We will keep tracking more updates from the protest against the BJP and the Home Minister Amit Shah.